Have you ever wondered which vegetables grow best during the rainy season? If you want to enjoy fresh, healthy, and homegrown vegetables straight from your kitchen garden, then this video is for you. The monsoon season creates the perfect growing conditions for many vegetables, making it one of the best times to start your gardening journey. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tannu Garden. If you love gardening tips, seasonal planting guides, and kitchen garden ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Now, without wasting any time, let's discover the top rainy season vegetables you should grow in your kitchen garden. The first vegetable is okra or bindi. It grows extremely well in warm and humid monsoon weather and is one of the easiest vegetables for beginners. Simply sow the seeds in well-drained soil, provide plenty of sunlight, and water regularly without overwatering. In just a few weeks, you'll be harvesting fresh and tender okra from your own garden. Next is cucumber. Nothing tastes better than fresh homegrown cucumbers during the rainy season. Cucumbers grow quickly and produce abundantly when given enough sunlight and a climbing support like a trellis. Keeping the soil evenly moist and harvesting the fruits regularly will encourage even more production. Another excellent choice is bottle gourd or lauki. This fast-growing climber loves the rainy season and produces healthy, nutritious vegetables throughout the monsoon. Give the vines a strong support to climb, enrich the soil with compost, and you'll enjoy a continuous harvest for weeks. The next vegetable is bitter gourd or Kerala. It thrives in warm and humid weather and grows best on a trellis. Regular watering, nutrient-rich soil, and timely harvesting help the plant produce more fruits while keeping the vines healthy and productive. Ridge gourd, also known as terrace, is another perfect vegetable for the monsoon. It grows rapidly during the rainy season and requires very little maintenance. Provide enough space for the vines to spread, and harvest the young fruits regularly for the best flavor and texture. If you enjoy leafy greens, spinach or palak is an excellent option. It grows quickly in fertile soil and can be harvested multiple times by picking the outer leaves. With proper watering and a little sunlight, you'll have a continuous supply of fresh spinach for your meals. Another nutritious leafy vegetable is amaranthus, or chalai. It grows rapidly during the rainy season and requires very little care, making it ideal for beginners. Within just a few weeks, you can start harvesting fresh leaves packed with vitamins and minerals. You should also consider growing green chilies. Chili plants love warm, humid weather and produce well when planted in fertile, well-drained soil. Feeding the plants with organic compost and ensuring they receive enough sunlight will help increase flowering and fruit production. Brinjal, or eggplant, is another rewarding vegetable to grow during the monsoon. Healthy soil, regular watering, and proper care will result in a steady harvest of fresh brinjals throughout the season. Keep an eye out for pests and remove damaged leaves to keep the plants healthy. Last but not least are cluster beans or guar. These plants are easy to grow, require minimal maintenance, and produce nutritious pods even during the rainy season. They are a wonderful addition to any kitchen garden and are perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. I hope this video helps you choose the best vegetables for your rainy season kitchen garden. Let me know in the comments which vegetable you're planning to grow first or which one is already growing in your garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tannu Garden, and press the bell icon for more gardening tips, seasonal planting guides, and kitchen garden ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Keep growing, stay connected with nature, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!